Hi, today we're gonna make some quick chicken curry to eat with bread or rice. Okay. We trim some onion and then we put them in to a pan to cook. We put all of this onion in a pan. I'm going to trim one shallot as well. We make a very simple curry dish. Give a lot of flavor, this shallot, to the chicken curry. And then we will put some oil and stir fry that. At the meantime, let's prepare some chicken for it. These are chicken I got from Costco. You can use a raw chicken, but I like the convenience of it, so I cut them in bite-sized chunks so you can eat with rice. I cut the skin out of that. You can use raw chicken as well, but I prefer to use the roasted chicken because it cooks faster. For the leg, I leave it same, but I take some skin of it, the fat of it, I mean. And some good fat, I will leave it there, not too much. The thigh, I leave it like that too. Okay, now I'm going to chop the bread side of it. The chicken is now prepared. Okay, so now I go to the stove now and start stir fry. Okay, turn it to medium high. Sprinkle some salt in here. And I use a wooden spoon and stir fry this. And for the onion to go faster, I put the lid on it. I'm going to put some oregano on here. Not too much. Oregano is an Italian spicy, and it's good for you too. Then I put some seasoning, Monterey steak seasoning, curry seasoning, which is I use my tablespoon of Tandoori masala or curry powder or turmeric. 1.5 of it in here. 1.5 of that, about that much, to curry it. I put some coconut milk in here. Okay, now I'm going to check on my onion. Okay, it turned brown right now. I reduced the heat to low. It looks really good. The onions are brown, a little bit brown on the onion side. So now is a good time to add a little bit of salt in here so it doesn't splash too much. Now I add my chicken. Okay, turn on medium-high heat and then stir fry these in the onion. And already the chicken has a steak sauce and oregano, so just want to warm it up. Let it on for a minute or two to get the onion juice all over this meat. Then I will add my coconut curry to it, coconut curry sauce to this. And then I can use some of the water here to get most of the curry sauce and coconut of it. Yeah. A little soy sauce. I will put a little bit of soy sauce in there now. So add water, like 1/4 cup, to make sure it's enough there for it to boil and warm up the chicken in the sauce, in the curry sauce. Chicken is already cooked, so that main thing is right now, you make sure if you want a lot of curry sauce, you can put more in there. So once it comes to boil, reduce it to low. Simmer it for 5 minutes. Okay, we put a little bit of pepper on it. Here's your curry chicken. Fast and easy. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, I hope you're happy and healthy.